Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this is a pom-pom fab ice lolly. So pretty much just explained it right there. It's a pom-pom based on the fab ice lolly. If you have them in your country. If you don't, then you probably won't know what it is. So you're going to need some yarn and a pom-pom maker. I'm just going to use this pom-pom maker. It's the small medium size. So there's 4 main sizes of pom-pom maker. This is like the second from smallest. And you're going to need a popsicle stick as well. And you're going to need to make 2 pom-poms that are just one colour, just plain pom-poms. You're going to need to make 1 white and 1 red. So you basically take the yarn, wrap around 1/2 of the pom-pom maker until it's full up, and then do the same with the other side. Like I say, you just need 1 colour. And then we're just going to cut down the middle of the pom-pom maker to open it up. There is like many different ways to make pom-poms, so if you've got a way you prefer, just make the pom-poms that way. So once you've done that, cut it open on both sides. You're going to take another bit of yarn, wrap it around the middle and tie it up, and this will hold the pom-pom together. I do love these pom-pom makers. It makes it so much easier to make a pom-pom, and it doesn't all come apart until you actually open it up. Because it's quite a fat pom-pom, I've actually put 3 knots in this so it stays together. Then I open the pom-pom maker up, and then I put that pom-pom to one side. You don't need to fluff it out or anything, just leave it as it is for now, because you're going to cut it down later. So like I say, you're going to need a red one and a white one. And then we're also going to make the top part of the fab, which is chocolate with coloured sprinkles on it. So I'm going to take some brown for the chocolate, and I've cut off another strip of it as well. So I've got like an extra long strip of it. And I'm going to get some pink as well and some white, and I'm basically going to be wrapping these round at the same time. So I want to put them all next to each other so they're lining up. And I'm going to wrap around the pom-pom with that. There is yellow sprinkles, I think, on the fabs as well, but this yellow is not what it looks like on camera. It is actually like a proper neon yellow, and that's the only one I had. So I decided to leave that out because it didn't look right. If it was the colour it comes out on screen, it would have been perfect, but in real life that is a proper neon yellow. So I'm going to hold these all together. And I'm going to wrap these around the pom-pom maker at the same time. And this actually fills up a lot more quickly as well. So hopefully when I cut this open, all the colours should be spread out so it looks like sprinkles on top of chocolate. That's what a fab is. If you don't know, it's like an ice lolly, 2 different colours, red and white, but the top part has been dipped in chocolate and with sprinkles on top. So you just cut this open like an normal pom-pom and tie it up, and this is the last pom-pom that you're going to need, and then we're going to attach them all together. Bit of an awkward silence there. I haven't had one of those in one of these for a while. My videos used to be full of awkward silences. So this is actually really making me hungry for a fab right now. So you're going to take the popsicle stick, and you want to put the red one on first. So you want to try and find the middle where they're all kind of pulled together. And then it should literally go straight through the middle of the pom-pom and stay on the stick. That's why I said you don't want to puff up the pom-pom when it comes off the pom-pom maker, because you still want to see that middle section where you can pop the stick through the middle and it will just sit on the stick. And that's the main body of it. And now you're just going to take your scissors and chop off any bits sticking out, and you want to shape it so it actually looks like an ice lolly rather than just a mess. See, and this is what it looks like when it's done. So it's almost good enough to eat. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, see you in my next video. Bye!